Presenting the all-new i20 that has bent the space-time fabric with its advanced and innovative technologies. It senses when you approach the car and greets you with its welcome function through auto-unfolding ORVMs and puddle lamp illumination. At the heart of the interior lies the optically linked infotainment and instrument cluster. The best-in-segment advanced 26.03 cm high-definition infotainment with inbuilt navigation system is a perfect utilization of technology. With POI search, you can find your favorite places conveniently. The address bookstores locations saved by you to provide quick access to your favorite places. With a single tap, you can navigate to your nearest Hyundai dealership and service centers. With 3D map navigation view and multiple color theme options, the display can be adapted to your mood. The all-new i20 comes with Bose Premium 7-speaker sound system with amplifier that delivers theatre-like acoustic sound experience. Advanced tuning options like sound focus adjustment, sound tuning, driving guidance, and dynamic speed compensation allows you to adjust the system as per your requirement. Intuitive infotainment system of the all-new i20 allows users to control hosts of functional features such as driver assistance to facilitate hassle-free parking. In the climate settings, you can adjust air circulation through two modes: internal air circulation and automatic ventilation for auto dehumidification that switches to outside air after extended use of inside air circulation mode. Vehicle lighting to set the configuration as per your need. Auto door lock and unlock and other cluster related features including setting of vehicle service interval. Infotainment system of the all-new i20 also comes with the automatic dimming option, which adjusts the display brightness according to the lighting conditions. Moreover, you can also adjust the cluster brightness and can even select the blue light filter option to subside eye strain and enhance the true high-definition experience. For enhanced driver convenience, the all-new i20 comes with multi-device Bluetooth connectivity. It allows dual-phone Bluetooth connection, thus enabling you to play music from one device and make calls from the other device. The smartphone connectivity features of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay offers seamless connectivity to its users with live map navigation powered by Google. Moreover, advanced connectivity option allows multiple controls like access to your favorite apps and also to the Google Assistant using voice command button on the steering wheel. The infotainment screen of the all-new i20 also comes with the split screen option, which displays hosts of information simultaneously and ensures that you can use multiple features at the same time. With inbuilt phone app in your infotainment, you can access call logs, contact list, and can even dial a number so that you can connect with your loved ones. Also, the reverse parking camera with dynamic guidelines ensures ease of parking, while the provision of driver rear view monitor adds to driving convenience. That can be easily activated via the button on your right side. With loads of connectivity options, the infotainment of the all-new i20 is truly advanced and offers a class above technology experience. When it comes to the driver's seat, the state-of-the-art intuitive digital instrument cluster with TFT MID presents you with a captivating cockpit-like experience with true digital display screen for tachometer and speedometer readings. And with the touch of a button on the steering wheel, you can access to the various displays on the center TFT MID. With the top button, you can switch between information displays like drive information, turn-by-turn navigation, and individual tire pressure monitoring, while the middle toggle switch allows you to scroll up and down between information like trip information, average fuel consumption, and many more. With the lower button, you can reset information with long press and hold. The center display also serves you with details like parking distance warning and music information. The all-new i20 comes with cruise control function that can be controlled via the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel. You can activate the cruise control with a single tap on the top button, and with the help of the toggle button, you can increase or decrease the speed by 1 km/h through one single tap, and with a long press and hold, you can increase or decrease the speed by 10 km/h. And with the lower button, you can pause or resume from the last set cruise speed. In the era of smart devices, wireless charger is a true customer delight with the cooling pad function, ensuring that your smartphone temperature remains within optimum range while charging. The charging indicator on the infotainment screen enables you to monitor the status. Moreover, the fast USB chargers in both front and rear ensures that your smart devices never run out of charge. The one-touch electric sunroof with tilt function adds style quotient and spaciousness, while the pinch guard function ensures the safety of your loved ones. To ensure a clean and healthy cabin environment, the all-new i20 comes equipped with first in India OxyBoost air purifier that boosts oxygen content inside the cabin. The solid oxygen cartridge removes harmful gases from the cabin, while HEPA filter removes particulate matter. Moreover, with the AQI monitor, you can always keep a track of air quality inside the cabin. The blue light on the AQI monitor indicates very good air quality, green light moderate air quality, orange light poor air quality, and the red light indicates adverse and very poor air quality. The all-new i20 is ready to dazzle you with its advanced and innovative technologies that will keep you ahead in time.